Škoda Motorsport developed its first fully electric competition car in 2021. We have learned a lot, and I think now it's a good time to take our experience further. That's why the unique Enyaq RS concept is being developed, showing how to bring the DNA of motorsport closer to production cars and also towards a sustainable future.
The Enyaq Race is definitely not just a design study that ends with pretty pictures. This is going to be a real car. It will be lower, wider, lighter, and most importantly faster. So it was clear from the start that the design had to be aggressive with the strong racing DNA. Along with the aerodynamics, we actually designed it similar to our race car. It has a sharply sculptured front, dramatically widened fenders, and a massive rear wing. It's already fast on the paper, and that's always a good start.
It will bring a lot of interesting technical features that will be applicable to road-going Škoda cars. And that's the way it should be, because motorsport should not only entertain but also inspire. The car looks great, and I am really looking forward to seeing it finished.
Škoda.